post-brushing machine. Biforce Technology post-brushing machine is equipped with a working unit with 2 pneumatic-driven brushing heads, designed to clean the top and side surface of the terminals in one cycle. Unique cleaning head is excellent for DIN and JIS types of terminals. Steel brushes provide high-quality cleaning and polishing. The replacement of cleaning brushes and refitting for different types of batteries is quick and easy. The machine is equipped with a motorized conveyor with a simple and quick adjustment of the guides, as well as a reliable battery positioning and fixing system. The Smart Stop system does not allow the delivery of a new battery while the previous one is in the process of cleaning. The machine can be used as a standalone installation or as part of a finishing line. Control. Automation of technological processes is carried out by Siemens plc. The machine is equipped with a Siemens built-in touchscreen, which allows entering the necessary parameters and monitoring the process of cleaning the terminals. Advantages. During the filling and charging of the battery, the terminals are subjected to oxidation, which adversely affects their current conductivity and the marketable condition of the battery. Biforce Technology post-brushing machine provides an ideal cleansing of the terminals from the oxide film, thereby improving the external appeal of the battery, as well as the contact with the car terminals. In addition, this process is a mandatory requirement for the supply of batteries on the conveyors of OEM.